how much should you actually spend on a hair straightener? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Remington Shine Therapy. Let's kick things off with the Remington Shine Therapy 1-inch hair straightener. The first thing that grabbed my attention is its unique infusion of argan oil and keratin, which is pretty impressive for a hair tool. Priced competitively, it's designed to give your hair that radiant shine without breaking the bank. If you want smooth, shiny hair without the frizz, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product could be a game changer for you. The advanced ceramic plates heat evenly and are infused with argan oil, which helps reduce frizz while styling. This means you can say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to salon-quality results at home. With a turbo mode that reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you've got 9 temperature settings to cater to your hair type, whether it's thick or fine. Reviews rave about how it leaves your hair looking healthier. Over 20,000 sold in just the last month, showing it's clearly a favorite. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky for travel. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it at home, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. The performance and shine you get far outweigh the size. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly straightener that delivers shine and reduces frizz. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-portable for travel. For the price, you really can't beat it. Product number 2, Wavy Talk Steam Hair Straightener. Next up is the Wavy Talk Steam Hair Straightener. What stood out to me is its unique steam feature, which is designed to protect hair from heat damage. At around $56.90, it's a bit pricier, but if you're serious about reducing damage while styling, it's worth considering. If you want silky, frizz-free hair in just one pass, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. The steam technology hydrates each strand while you style, minimizing heat exposure. This means fewer passes with the straightener, which is a huge time saver. The 1.38-inch nano titanium plates heat up quickly and glide smoothly, making styling effortless, even for thicker hair. Plus, it's humidity resistant, which is great if you live in a humid area. People love this product, as it combines effective styling with
Product number 3, Anlery 2-in-1 Straightener. The Anlery hair straightener is next on the list. What caught my eye is its dual functionality as both a straightener and a curler, priced at an affordable $27.98. If you're looking for versatility in your hairstyling, this is one you should check out. So, why is this product great for you? With ionic technology, it releases negative ions that help to lock in moisture and reduce static, which means healthier hair overall. The adjustable temperature ranges from 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for all hair types. Its 3D floating plates ensure smooth gliding without tugging, which is crucial for preventing breakage. Plus, it heats up in just 20 seconds, so it's perfect for quick styling sessions. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't maintain the temperature as well as some higher-end models. But here's the thing. For the price, that's a minor drawback. If you're just looking for something reliable and affordable, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly tool that offers both straightening and curling options. Skip this one if you have very thick hair and need something more powerful. Overall, it's a great value.
Product number 4, Quico Travel Straightener. Coming in next is the Quico Hair Straightener. At just $16.99, it's incredibly budget-friendly. And what caught my attention is its travel-friendly design. If you need something that's easy to take on the go, this could be the one for you. Why is this a good option? The dual voltage feature makes it usable in different countries, which is perfect for travelers. It heats up in just 15 seconds, so no more waiting around. With 4 temperature settings, it's versatile enough to cater to various hair types. The negative ion technology helps to keep your hair frizz-free, which is a big win. Many people appreciate the included glove and clips for easier styling, making it a great all-in-one travel tool. On the downside, some might find the plates a bit narrow for larger sections of hair.
But honestly, if you're using it while traveling, the compact size is more of an advantage than a disadvantage. This is perfect for you if you're always on the move and need a straightener that's lightweight and effective. Skip this one if you have very thick or long hair that requires wider plaits. For the price, it's a steal for travel.
Product number 5, Chi Original Straightener. Finally, we have the Chi Original 1-inch ceramic hair straightener. This is a classic that many swear by, and it's known for its professional styling capabilities. If you're looking for something tried and tested, this is worth a serious look. Why should you consider this? The ceramic floating plates ensure even heat distribution, which helps in reducing frizz and static. It heats up quickly to an optimal 392 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for efficient styling. The ergonomic design and long swivel cord make it easy to handle, so you won't feel fatigued while styling your hair. With thousands sold, it's a favorite for a reason. However, it lacks adjustable heat settings, which some users find limiting. Here's the thing though, if you know your hair type and can work.
To wrap it up, we've gone through some great options today. The Remington Shine Therapy for shine, the Wavy Talk Steam Straightener for hydration, the Anne-Laure for versatility, the Quico for travel, and the Chi Original for professional results. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's definitely something here for everyone. Happy styling!